Hi, this is Dino, CEO of Edified Equity. Welcome to the Edified Equity Podcast, where here we focus on all the unique benefits associated with being an equity investor in an apartment community syndication. I'm here in beautiful Evergreen, Colorado at Evergreen Lake. You can learn more about us on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Facebook, and our award-winning blog at Bigger Pockets. I want to take a minute and talk to you today about some of the factors and fluctuations in an apartment community versus the traditional investments. A lot of investors will take a sigh of relief, especially if they're experienced and are very familiar with operating in this space, when they look at the apartment community sector versus the traditional investment, simply because apartment communities operate in a universe of their own with zero to no regard to what's going on with the red and the green universe, also known as the stock market. So there's a huge sigh of relief there. If a stock market skyrockets or takes a deep dive, the apartment community bought right, and we'll talk about this more in a second, doesn't follow suit. There's no reason for it to follow suit because it's a business in and of itself and it operates in its own unique universe. It's going to create cash flow. It's going to appreciate in two ways. One of those ways is going to be time appreciation, and of course the other way is going to be from the value add and forced appreciation that the operators put into the business plan. So there's no reason for it to follow suit in any way. The other thing it's going to do on the back end, after all the execution and the time has gone by, it's going to create a nice profit. So business in and of itself and no relation to the stock market. Let's talk about rental rates. So rental rates are going to vary, but again, not related to the stock market. It's going to be related more to a traditional supply and demand structure. Basically, if we are in the right area, we have the right MSA, and we can support the need for safe, affordable housing, which we know is demand that's not going to go away, because as Maslow states, it's one of our basic human physiological needs. So it's not going to go away. Again, you have to purchase right. That's always should be without not having to focus and mention that when I'm talking about a successful acquisition, but it's not going away. And the rental rates are going to look at supply and demand, and also we're going to look at what can the market bear as far as rental rates and occupancy. And a good strategy is actually to be just below market so that we can have the occupancy up. People feel like they're getting a value, and we are able to keep occupancy up. It's better to have the doors rented than vacant, of course, even if we're charging just a little bit below market. So the other thing that's interesting is it's not valued off of comparables. It's valued off of a market cap rate and how much money the business is throwing off. Again, we're not going to have the red and the green days. It's going to be much more consistent, and we have a lot of control over the outcome. These factors are all very certain. And when you buy it properly, when we're looking at the right MSA, we're making sure that the economy is diverse. We're making sure that the place is in the path of progress. We have the right team of operators, the right business plan. We purchased it so that we can add value as well as improve the operations. This is what I really like about the apartment community. It makes it virtually recession-proof, and it gives it the ability to weather the storm. This is not the case in the converse universe, which is the world of the red and the green. My name is Dino Pierce, CEO of Edified Equity. I hope you found this information helpful. If you know someone that has a problem finding the right place to put their money to work and make it sweat for them, please tell them about this information. I don't have anything to sell, but I am on a mission, and I'm going to continue to provide quality, consultative, educational content revolving around this unique alternative investment vehicle. This is Dino Pierce, CEO of Edified Equity, signing off. Make it a great day. You certainly deserve it. Goodbye.